Welcome to YONO Business, a single integrated platform for our corporate and SME customers. YONO Business aims to provide superior customer experience through next-gen technologies and digital services. Starting from kickoff in February to the pre-launch in July, where we introduced the new YONO branding to our customers along with single sign-on across all 5 platforms and common user profile management. Now, in the Phase 1 release, we have introduced and reimagined some of the most critical and time-consuming journeys for our corporate customers, going from long and cumbersome processes to simple forms with digital and omnibus documentation, complex workflows and multiple handoffs to seamless self-service processing, limited visibility to real-time status tracking for unprecedented transparency. This release has something in store for everyone: existing customers, new to digital customers, and bronze services across 3 major categories. First, integrated platform. Second, Forex services. Third, trade finance service. The integrated platform provides customers unified access to all of SBI's corporate banking applications under a common platform. For our new to digital customers, the YONO onboarding process for internet banking, e-Forex and e-trade applications has been simplified through a digital application and an omnibus documentation to just 4 simple steps. Enter corporate details, choose products and services, enter user details, review and submit. In addition to this, single-user corporates can use an end-to-end automated verification using debit card for onboarding. New customers can also be onboarded through branch interface for an omni-channel experience. Once customers are onboarded, they can also use the service request platform to raise any requests digitally. SME customers can avail pre-approved merchant loans through an end-to-end digital journey within few minutes. The ability to avail foreign exchange services and reduce Forex-related transaction time is more important than ever. First, the e-Forex application now provides our customers a dashboard where they can view the active orders and deals. Second, customers can also see market trends for latest insights. Third, the e-Forex portal also allows our customers to book or cancel a forward contract and digitally upload documents without visiting the branch. Fourth, by using advanced API-based technologies, the rate booking process is now real-time and combines activities on 3 different systems into one seamless journey on a single platform. For our existing customers, we have also reimagined the experience of requesting an import letter of credit in the e-trade application. First, customers can now place a request for issuance of import letter of credit in less than 10 minutes. 70% of the fields in the application form are now auto-populated. Digital document upload facility along with real-time information from other systems. Second, single-click lien marking request. Third, real-time status tracking of application. Fourth, the redesigned journey also allows our customers to amend, close, view, manage, authorize, delete and unlock an LC, all through a simplified user journey. YONO Business focuses on consistently improving experience for our customers to help them grow their businesses. The upcoming releases will provide an interactive dashboard with information from multiple systems, new digital journeys for subscriptions to products like e-trade and e-Forex, and paperless, instant journeys for creation of new users. Our constant endeavor is to make interactions with the bank much more omni-channel, futuristic, digital, real-time, simple, convenient, exciting, intuitive. SBI YONO Business. You only need one.